I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the door close, it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed.
Hi my angels, so welcome back to my channel. It's been a very long hot minute since I posted a video. I just actually let's just start this video with some one positive note and some saying just hi to the people who just recently come to my channel. Hi guys, I'm Evelyn. I'm also a beauty influencer. I just do a lot of makeup videos, beauty product reviews, DIYs and all that kind of stuff. So welcome to my channel if you are new, and if you're existing subscriber still, welcome back to my channel. So as I was saying, it's been a long time since I posted a video, but there has been a reason. With all the things going around the world, we all know about it. I was just feeling a little overwhelmed. It's not like I wasn't like doing anything. There has been a couple of times when I sat down and I just thought I'm gonna film a video, started filming it and everything, but for some reason I felt so like overwhelmed with everything, with all the situation going and with all the like things happening around me. It's just like in the world, especially with this COVID-19 and all that stuff, it really overwhelmed me a little bit, and I was just not in the right state of mind kind of thing. So even though I was filming, it was just not coming to my expectation, to my like, I was feeling like I was looking so like depressed and stressed and everything, and that's the kind of thing I didn't want to put out on my channel, especially at this time. I wanted to do something on my channel which help people to de-stress, forget about the things happening around us for a while, and then just chill and relax for a minute. So this is what I decided to do today, and my husband is really good in that way. He really motivates me in that way. So he's just like, just go in your zone, do your thing and forget about everything else, and whatever happens, if you're happy with it, good, post it. If you're not, then don't worry about it. And I'm actually quite happy. When I started off the look, I was just like not really sure, I'm not liking it, I don't know where it is going, but at the end I'm very happy the way it turned out. I'm really happy. So I'm just gonna show you how do I created this look, using a couple of new products, couple of like old products I really like. So I'm just gonna show you how do I created this gradient eye look. And yes, I did cut my hair myself at home, so there is like some sort of disaster going on, but hey ho, we have to deal with it. So if you want to see how to learn how to create this look, just carry on watching the video. And before you leave, if you're new to my channel and you like my content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so every time I'm posting a video you will get a notification. And yeah, let's just not waste any more time and get into this video. Thank you so much for watching and love you loads. Bye guys.
Okay beauties, so for this makeup look I am going to start with my brows first, and I'm using my Benefit Goof Proof brow pencil, and this is in number 5. My brows have seen better days. Yeah, so if they're looking a bit crooked, you know why. For my eye base and also to just clean out my brow area, I'm using my Hard Candy Camouflage Concealer. You all know by now this is one of my favorite concealers because it's so full coverage and it works really well as an eye base too. And I'm going to set my eye base using RCMA no color translucent powder. First of all, I'm just going to take a Maybelline Gel Studio gel liner, and this is, I'm just going to use a very fine brush to create like an outer wing. I didn't actually wanted to do a little more smaller kind of look, like more lower cut, like a gradient eye look, but when I was doing it, I wanted to do just do a bit of a graphic kind thing. Now I've taken the House of Lab liquid eyeshadow, and this is in shade Chainbreaker or Cinderella or something like that. I will write down all the shades in the description box below. It's pretty dark, intense black, and as I'm going more towards inner corner of my eye, I'm using Elf Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow, and this is in shade blue. And for my inner corner and like an inner corner highlight, I use Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder, and this is in shade Illuminati. I absolutely love this product. Really, really, really nice. Instantly gives you the most amazing look. And it's so blingy. I love it. For my face primer, I use Ole Henriksen Banana face primer. You all know by now this is one of my favorites. And for my foundation, none other than my favorite Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion foundation. If you don't know why I love this foundation, I have done many reviews on this foundation on my channel. I'll try to link some of the videos in the description box below. I've also added a couple of drops of rose oil from By Essence. It's just because my skin is feeling very, very, very dry and very dehydrated kind of feeling, so I just wanted to look a little bit more hydrated. For my under eye area, I'm using this CoverGirl a new concealer, and this is in shade medium something. As I said, I will write down all the shades in the description box below. This shade is going to be very, very close to my own skin tone, because I like to use quite warm undertone concealer to cover my dark circles, because then it doesn't give me that blue effect, like a blue skin or blackish blue effect. And to do the highlight for rest of my face, I'm going to use my Too Faced Bone This Way concealer. This is much lighter in shade, so this will really brings out all the areas which I want to be a little bit more brightened. It really makes them pop out. For my contour bronzer, if you say, I'm using LA Girl Cosmetics Pro Conceal stick, and this is in shade a Beautiful Bronze. I absolutely love this because it kind of gives me the contour and the bronzer at the same time, so I don't have to do two steps. I can actually get away with just doing one. And I'm blending this with my Zoeva buffer brush. This buffer brush is slightly angled. It works really well to do your cheeks, and for your jawline and everything else. To blend my concealer, I'm going to use my beauty blender. I have been using my beauty blender quite a bit lately. I go through a phase. It's just because I feel like it when my skin is very, very dry and dehydrated. It just feels to me my makeup looks better when I do it with beauty blender, because kind of like goes into my skin. And now I'm just going to set my under eye area, and I'm using my CoverGirl CG Smoother Translucent Powder. This is becoming one of my favorites to do my under eye area because it's so fine and it's so lightweight and it doesn't crease. To set rest of my face, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless powder, and this is in shade medium. Again, you know, I love this powder. This is a very, very lightweight powder, but it gives you the most amazing flawless finish. It literally makes your face look airbrushed. For my bronzer, I'm using Physician Formula's butter bronzer. This particular one is in a collaboration with Cassie Holmes. And for for blush, I'm using Tarte Cosmetics blush in shade Party. And I actually put the blush on my nose as well, and I really like the effect. It made my nose look so nice and cute, like really nice and buttony. For my highlight, I'm using Pretty Vulgar's highlighter. It's a very, very subtle highlighter. I really like it, especially it goes really nice with if you have like a pinky cheeks. It looks really nice. For the lip liner, I'm using MAC Cosmetics lip liner in shade Strip Down. This particular shade from MAC range is one of my favorite because it's very close to my natural lip color, so it blends out really well. And for lipstick, I'm using Lancome's lipstick, and this is in shade 250. Yeah, this is in shade 250. It's just nude. And for the gloss, I'm using Anastasia's gloss in shade Glided. Just applying a little bit more butter bronzer on my lower lash line to kind of like a smoke out. And I'm also going to add this in the outer part of my eye and also more towards the inner corner. Just using the same gel liner in my waterline. I'm going to curl my lashes using my Kevyn Aucoin lash curler. It's one of my favorites. And for the mascara, I've used Essence Extreme Volume waterproof mascara. Absolutely love the Essence mascaras. They are one of the best ones. I've tried many, and especially from the drugstore, these are really good. And by the way, I got this tool from Amazon, and I cannot believe it works, and it works really well. I'll be doing some reviews on Amazon products very soon, so just keep an eye on that. And to set everything in place, I'm using Makeup Revolution setting spray. This setting spray has hyaluronic acid, which is like a big tick for me. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. I don't know what to call this look right now, but hope you guys like it. Okay guys, I'll see you next time. Love you all. Take care. Bye and stay safe.
Gravity.